If your FPS drops in Rainbow Six Siege after the DirectX 12 upgrade, then in this tutorial I will guide you on how to resolve this issue. A lot of people are complaining regarding this problem. If you go to the Rainbow Six Siege subreddit, you can see a lot of people are facing this issue. So follow these steps very carefully in order to resolve this problem. Now the first step we need to try, listen to this very carefully. Do you use Afterburner or RivaTuner statistics, also known as RTSS? If so, try disabling them. RivaTuner statistics seems to affect FPS. So if you're using Afterburner or RivaTuner statistics, try disabling them and check if the issue has been resolved. Now, if you've done so, but you're still facing the same issue or you don't use these softwares, then upgrade your graphics drivers. Ensure you use the latest GPU drivers. Ensure you have the latest GPU drivers installed. Nvidia and AMD often releases optimization for DirectX 12 in newer driver versions. So update your graphics drivers. If you've done so but you're still facing again the same issue, now let's go to another step, which is close background applications. Ensure no unnecessary background apps are consuming your CPU or GPU resources. Use Task Manager to check for high usage programs. So close background applications. Ensure no unnecessary background apps are consuming CPU or GPU resources. Use Task Manager to check for high usage programs. And after that, we can try to launch the game to see if the issue has been resolved. Now, another step we need to try is delete DirectX shader cache. To do so, just come here on the search bar and search for disk clean. So search for disk cleanup and open this application. Now choose the drive. Since it's installed on the C drive, click OK. And then wait for a few seconds and then choose this DirectX shader cache. Just check this here and make sure to click OK to delete this. So this will delete DirectX shader cache. Sometimes it will help you resolve this issue. So make sure to check this, which is DirectX shader cache, and maybe uncheck the one which you don't want to delete them. Just check the one which you want to delete it and click OK and to delete the DirectX shader cache. Now another step we need to try is verify your game files and clear Steam downloader cache. To do so, just open your Steam, go to your Steam library, look for your game, which is Rainbow Six Siege, go to Properties, go to Installed Files, and make sure to verify integrity of your game files. And after that, go to here to your Steam, then click Settings, then go to Downloads and look for Clear Download Cache, which is here, Clear Cache. And after clearing cache, try to check if the issue has been resolved. A lot of people are facing this issue after the DirectX 12 upgrade in the Rainbow Six Siege. As you can see, if you go to the discussion forums in Reddit, you can see a lot of people are complaining regarding this problem. But a lot of people are able to resolve this by following the exact process that I have shown you in this video. So make sure to follow the instructions very carefully and let me know in the comment section if this tutorial has helped you.